All right. So some of you are having a hard time logging on to your math book. Okay, so I'm gonna guide you real quick how to get to your math book. Okay, so well, if you're in Ms. Gonzalez's math class, okay, I already have it on your page, so you could click on the math workbook page right here where it says remote learning helpful info. You have your math workbook here. If you are not in my class and you're in any other math class, you go ahead and go to Connect Ed, which you will find it towards the bottom of your Clever page. It's Connect Ed right here. So when you click on it, it takes you, sometimes it'll take you to this. So what you have to do is you gotta go onto this drop down menu, and you have to go down to the McGraw-Hill Connected Ed right here. Click on it and press sign in. All right, so this will take you to your textbook. Me, I have, of course, a teacher and the student. So you will go on to your student, which is Texas Math Course 1, this one, and you click on it. To access the book, you go to your ebook right over here. Ebook. All right, and then there's your textbook. Now you could put the page numbers that you want. For example, we are doing, I believe, let's say we want to go to page 677. Enter. That's what we're doing right now. So this is where you would go, okay? Again, you could work on it on a separate sheet of paper or however your teacher instructed you. But this is the way you go into your math workbook, okay? Any questions, please email your teachers. Thank you. Good luck.